Alright guys, I'm fired up for some shinies. Let's do it! We got to. We got to get the Charizard, okay? This is the pep talk. Quick, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it, alright? You're gonna get the shiny Charizard, and this is gonna be over. It's gonna be fantastic. You're gonna have a full shiny collection, and you're just gonna roll in a pile of shiny cards. It's gonna be amazing! What's kicking y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm back in gear. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode is Pokemon flavored. And like I said, in the last Elite Trainer box opening, I was going to do something a little special. I wanted to open one of these because I actually want this tin. This Charizard art is amazing. So I wanted to open up some Elite Trainer boxes with you guys. So this is the second video. I'll link the other one in the description. And I'm going to start with this Charizard tin. If you guys don't know about these tins, they did this with like the starters. Eevee, was Psyduck one of them? I don't even remember. I bought all of them because the art looks so good on the tins, and it was a smart play by Pokemon, the Pokemon Company, because I will buy this for the art on it. Can we just get off? There we go. Look at that. What's just random Psyduck, Vulpix? Anyway, they put packs in here that didn't sell very well, which, you know, Pokemon Company got to make money, right? They definitely don't get all of my money already. That's a lie, they do. So let's start with opening this. The art is amazing. The packs are straight cheeks. Though, I think one of these, Ancient Origins, I can't remember what I got in the quick, oh, goodbye coin. We'll never know. It was probably, oh, that looks really good. It was probably another Alolan Ninetales, so I'm not going to worry about it. But in the last one, I got something really cool out of Ancient Origins. So I'm excited. The other one also came with Burning Shadows, though, so why am I getting stuck with just Crimson Invasion and Ancient Origins? Who knows? Alright, let's see if we can have some similar luck, because I wasn't expecting anything good last time. There is your code card for Crimson Invasion. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fairy. Maybe one of you guys who actually plays the game, ooh, that's cool, an Excelgor, can tell me in the comment section, what was a relevant card that came out of that set? Was it worth getting it all? Anyway, we got an Excelgor. We got a Kakuna Rattata. That was really high. Lairon, we got a Cubone, I love him so much. Mankey, we got a Salandit. A Spoink, got ourselves a Carablast. The reverse, oh, hold on. What is this? Oh, well, I mean, that art's amazing. I don't know, it's probably not good. And the rare is a Camerupt. But that Como, you know what I mean? You picking up and up and down? Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Alright, we got Ancient Origins coming up. I have high hopes for this Elite Trainer box. The last one restored my faith in Hidden Fates, because if you guys have not watched my tin openings, they were straight cheeks. They were sandy cheeks from SpongeBob, straight up. They were Texan squirrels. 1, 2, 3. There is no energy. Flip it around, pass it around. We got ourselves a Forest of Giant Plants. What? Woo! It's so cool opening these packs way after they've happened, because I wasn't around for these. So this is really cool. I like that Flareon art. Special dangerous energy. Let's get dangerous. We got Cottony, that's Darkwing Duck. Only 90s kids will remember. Baltoy. We got a Ralts. Golett. I love Golett and Golurk. We got an Eevee. The reverse is an Inkay. And the rare. Oh, cool. I mean, it's not hollow, but geez. That's such cool art. I wonder what the Raikou looks like in this set. If you guys don't know, I'm actually working with an artist to get a tattoo of my favorite Johto Pokemon, and Raikou is my favorite of the 3 legendary dogs. So if you guys have some cool art of Raikou or Girafarig, Quilava, Umbreon, Tyranitar, or Lugia, feel free to drop a link or something. I don't know. I don't know how that works in YouTube comments. Can you do that? Can you drop links? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Okay, so this is only my second Elite Trainer box. First one had some cool stuff in it. Like I said, the video for that one is linked in the description below, I hope, and before Kwikpanik forgets. This box actually looks really great, just for the record. I usually recycle the boxes. They're good for storing cards. I do understand that, but I have like massive white boxes that I put those in rows. So here is the main attraction. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this one. I'm going to send both of these to PSA to get graded, because I really, really love the art style on this. If you can open it. Okay. Didn't have to call my mom. Ha! Let's get into this. This stained glass bird trio is just ridiculously good. I would have put Zapdos in the middle, personally. Team Instinct all the way. But Where's, I had, there we go. Penny sleeves. Don't leave home without them, okay? Always bring protection. This is a PG channel, okay? Kwikpanik, okay. There's the card that I was after. But let's see if we can get some of the shinies I was after. I already went over the rest of the contents in that box in the last video, so like I said, there's a link for that in the bottom if you'd like to see what else is in there. Okay, 10 packs. We got 10 chances at a Charizard. Before we get started, I forgot to do this in the last video. How many shinies do you think we're going to get? Last time we got, I'm not going to spoil it, we got more than one. So let's start. Let's start with Mewtwo. I have high hopes. Gotta have high hopes for a living. I think those are the lyrics. I need to learn that song. I love Panic at the Disco. There is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. Not dangerous. Not dangerous. Okay. We got Pokemon Center Lady. We got a Metapod. We got Sabrina's Suggestion. Clefairy. Clatterpie. Ekans. Paris. Charmander the reverse. Is a Geodude. And the rare is a Weezing. You know, every time I open one of these packs, I've got the highest hopes in the land. And when I get a freaking reverse Geodude or Golem or Graveler, I'm like, you're not hidden at all. You're not. You're not even a little bit hidden. Why are you in Hidden Fates? Here is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. That means this pack's gonna be fire. I wonder how many times that's actually true. Metapod. Like, I say it's going to be fire, and then we get through the packs, and it's like, oh, that was hot garbage. Oh, maybe that's what fire means, hot garbage. Eevee. Okay. Well, we killed all of the, what is that called? Suspense. Killed the suspense. Misty's Water Command. Okay, whatever. Fine. Fine. That's fine. We're fine. Because this one's going to have a shiny. Statistically, this one's gonna have a shiny? I don't know what the statistics are. I don't know what the pull rates are. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fairy. Let's go. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Misty's Determination. We got a Jinx, a Paris. We got a Voltorb, a Geodude, Eevee, the reverse. Ooh, we just got this in the last video. No, we got a dupe shiny, and the rare is a really cool Mew. Okay. I mean, we got 2 chances at getting a PSA 10, I guess. Well, it's a shiny. It counts. That counts. That's a pull. We count those, okay? We got Mew. Can you, I mean, 2 Charmeleons? Does that mean Charizard? Maybe. Perhaps Charizard? I wouldn't be mad. I'd be so happy. I've been buying so many of these packs because I refuse. I know I could have bought a Charizard, but what about the friends we made along the way? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. Say lightning. Get lost. Get out. Scyther. Sabrina's Suggestion. Pokemon Center Lady. We got a Voltorb. Pikachu. Ekans. Coughing. Paris. Kangaskhan. I ruined that as the reverse. And the rare. Oh! Okay. We got another Jesse James. That's cool. I pulled something really cool in the last video too. So, all right. Statistically, that means we have one more shiny. If it's gonna copy the last ETB, we got one more shiny and one full art shiny. Let's see if we can beat the last one. That would be ideal, don't you think? There is your code card. I love that these are consistently flipped around. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. Don't you dare say leaf. All right. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. We got Koga's Trap, Slowpoke, Voltorb, Pikachu, Ekans, Coughing, the reverse. Is Jesse and James, and the rare is a Jolteon. I don't know why Jolteon couldn't get holo treatment like Vaporeon. Why? Por qué? Or are there 2 Jolteons, and I've just not pulled the holo? We'll never know. Or maybe we will. Who knows? This is your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. All right. I'm excited. I want the Pokeball kits to come out, and the big Rayquaza one that has like 943 packs in it, because I need more chances, man. Staryu, Slowpoke, the reverse is a Psyduck, and the rare is a okay. It's gonna be fine. No need to panic. No need to panic. I know panic's part of my name, but I got faith. Yeah. I got faith in the Hidden Fates. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. Not Poison. Not Ghost. We got a Farfetch'd. All right, we got a Graveler. We got a Chansey. We got an Ekans. Charmander. We got a Psyduck. A Magikarp. A Staryu. The reverse is a Shiny Ralts. And the rare is another Vaporeon. I love that card. Oh my gosh. No more dupes, please. No more. Like, if you're going to give me dupe shinies, like, don't, just hold that. Hold that until I get all of the other ones. You know? You know what I mean, Pokemon? All right. Mew. Mew. Save me. Save me, please. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's fighting. All right. Chansey. Chansey. I can grab that, I promise. Giovanni's Exile. Brock's Pewter Gym. Clefairy. We got ourselves a Jigglypuff. A Caterpie. Eevee. Ekans, the reverse. Oh, it's a Greninja GX. I just got this one too. And the rare is a Lapras. Oh my gosh. Okay, so far we have the full art. Are we serious, Tom? Are we? Somebody trade me, please. Trade me for the shinies I need. This is what we got so far. We still have 2 or 3 packs? 2 packs. All right, we just need to pull one more shiny to beat the last Elite Trainer box. Faith, hope, whatever. All that fading. Fading from my eyes. I'm slowly dying. It's like I was poisoned by a poison sting from a Weedle in Viridian Forest. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's steel, not metal. And I'm not going to make it to Pokemon Center before my starter dies. Back when I played Red version. We got Charmeleon, Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke. And the reverse. Oh, look, a Wigglytuff GX. Whoa, holy heckums. Wow, just amazing. All right, last pack. It's a Charizard pack. I hope that means something. Before we get into this last pack, really appreciate all your support, guys. If you wouldn't mind leaving a like on the video if you enjoy the content, that tells me that I need to keep buying Pokemon cards and opening with you. 1, 2, 3, flip over the energy. It's Fairy. If you subscribe to the channel, that would make my day. That would make me so happy. I gain 1 happiness point every time that you guys subscribe to the channel or leave a like on a video, and I evolve through friendship evolution, so you gotta do the thing. I'm bringing videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Central Time and Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time, and I stream on Twitch all the other days that you don't see me on YouTube, so there's always Kwikpanik to be had, just saying. All that stuff is in the description, so follow me on Twitch too. That'd be really cool. All right, last pack. Please be something, anything, please. And the reverse. Golem in the rare is an Electrode. Well, guys, I've tried. You can't say I haven't tried for this Charizard. Those are our pulls. It's about the same ratio as the last pack. Let me see. Hopefully, actually, I'm not going to spoil it. If you guys want to see that, I'll link the video in the description down below. That is all I've got for today. There's Pokemon video game content coming to the channel, just for the record. Omega Ruby, randomize Nuzlocke. So that should be cool. Stay tuned. That's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.